Hi children, welcome back to the third session and the final session of Mandala Art. Hope you must have enjoyed your holidays, and during those holidays, as we have thought that we will do some work for the Mandala Art calendar, so I have done my work. I will be showing you, and hope you have also done the 14 different works what you want to do for the Mandala Art calendar. So now I will be showing you what are the arts which I have done. Just for December I have done this. I'll be showing you closer. Okay. Yeah, I think you can see this. This is the Christmas time, December time. So I have taken socks, cap, Christmas tree and different things, and I have made my calendar. So first we will just do it like this and just stick it off. I have taken the dates also. So let us start sticking the dates. Yeah, and keep it. And then we will be needing a punching machine, like a single punch. Just we will take this single punch and then punch holes like this, so that it will be ready to take an old spiral wire, and then we will be ready to do this. This is December. Then we have 2021 January. Yeah, I have taken this because January is a time of Sankranti, so we have lot of rangolis. So I have taken a rangoli for this. Now I already told you, see the festivals according to the in the second session I told you, see the festivals and you can make your own way. Now the dates are also ready. So this is January 21. So this is February. For February I have taken the Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day it will be like hearts and all. So I have taken this design. So I made this, and then I am going to stick the dates also. Don't forget, you have to punch the holes on top to put this spring. So punching holes on top and keeping it ready. Now this is March, day and night. So the sun and the moon are representing. So you can see this. So the dates. First see how I'm doing. You have time, you can make your 2021 calendar, 2021 Mandala Art calendar. Now this is April time. It is warm, so I took ice creams around. See, so many colorful ice creams, chocolate ice cream, you have vanilla ice cream, so many ice creams. So, and I have filled everything. You can see inside. You can do you can take different cone or stick ice creams, whatever design you want. And now dates, April. So I think now you are knowing the sequence. This is a beach, the shells, everything. So let us finish off this dates, and then this is June, rain time. So I have taken umbrella, Mandala Art umbrella. July also we have rains, so this is also another umbrella design. Now August, I have taken a fruit. Pineapple comes in the month of August. So I've taken this and I've filled the mandala art designs inside. It is our own choice. Whatever we want, we can use food or we can use festival, we can use whatever you want. And this is springtime, the flower design, floral design. And yeah, this is October, Dashra time. What you had just now, the mandal, this is actually the mandal. The four sides dimensions, the four corners is the actual mandal. You can see the filling inside. October. Hope you have done with the prayer, doing the prayer only, or I told you to do. You must be chanting the prayer and doing. This is November. Flowers again. And 2021 December. The first one was 2000 December. This is 2021 December. And this is 22 Jan. So January again, Sankranti time. You have the Rangoli time. So finally all these are ready. We will need one cardboard. So I have taken and waste cardboards like this, and then my book cover I have taken. So I am going to put this on top and this as a base. So you can stick some paper here like this for it to stand like this. So now we will put all this and put the spiral binding. So now arrange it like this and then take this string and start putting inside this one, the cardboard. Apart from the cardboard, just check the dates and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 year is over, but first and last will have previous year's months. So total 14. With the cardboard 15. So you have to put this inside make it go into the every hole. So after that, if you make it, then you can find, see, like this. You can even take, suppose you find this is difficult, you can take a small calendar, old calendar, and then you can paste a white paper and then you can do your designs here. So this is mandala art calendar. Even here you can see. So hope you have enjoyed it. Try and make your own calendar. Thank you.